Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Today I'm going to show you how to change your iPhone ringtone to whatever song you want. If you're sick of this, cringe every time I hear it, I got you. Follow along on this super quick and easy tutorial on how to change it to whatever you want. Let's go. Alright, first things first, we are going to download this free app called Ringtone Maker, the Ring app. Once we got that installed, we're gonna head over to TikTok and find our favorite sound. I found these guys on TikTok and I really like their remixes. They always come up on my For You page and they're always trending, so I like these. It's usually an old song mixed with a new one, so it's definitely got throwback vibes and super upbeat. We're gonna select our song and then save the video to our device. Now we're gonna head over to our camera roll, scroll down and click on Extract Audio by Ringtone Maker. We're gonna select our sound and then click on the little bell that says Make. Now we are going to scroll to the right and wait till you find GarageBand. There we go. Now we have the audio already there, nothing else more for us to do except hold down on that file and click on Share. Then it's gonna have three different options. Make sure you click on Ringtone in the middle and you can just press Continue. We are gonna name the ringtone Fire and press Export. Now that we've done that, go over to our settings. Click on Sound and Haptics and Ringtone. At the top, it will have your new ringtone. I'm obsessed with doing this now. I feel like I change my ringtone every single day. I'm telling you, this was so quick and easy. Once you get the flow of it, it will take 30 seconds. You're welcome. I hope that tutorial was super quick and easy for you guys to follow. Let me know down in the comments below what song or remix you decided to choose and give me some inspiration. I've been loving finding remixes on TikTok. That's where I find all my new music, so I'm always so excited. Oh, also follow along on my Spotify playlist if you want. I will link them below in the description. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I have a very exciting trip coming up this week. I'm going to be vlogging, shooting so many different videos on my TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of it. I'm so excited. You will see on Tuesday what I'm up to. Anyways, hope you guys have a great day.